Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about budgeting 101. Determine your financial goals. Let's get into the video. The first basic step to budgeting is determine your financial goals, which entails taking at a look at short-term and long-term financial objectives. Examples of that includes paying off debt, saving for emergencies, buying a home, or planning for retirement. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.